Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to the third part of the lesson, Should Wizard Hit Mummy? Let us see what the father is going to do in narrating the story to the daughter. Actually, he was making all faces to create as though he is an old man. He was just rapping on the windowsill, coming to the wizard's house. I know it, Roger Skunk said, and all the little animals ran away from me. The enormous wise owl said, you could help me. So, why the father was rapping on the windowsill or there to make as though there is a tapping sound? It is that this Roger Skunk had gone to the home of the wizard and it was making a noise, and in order to make it much more realistic, the father was rapping there on the windowsill. I know it, Roger Skunk said, and all the little animals ran away from me. The enormous wise owl said, you could help me. So, Roger Skunk is telling to the wizard, it was the owl who told me that you would help me if I come and meet you. Well maybe. Come on in. Don't get too close. See how the wizard is also treating the young, little Roger Skunk. The wizard is telling and asking the skunk not to come closer to him. Now, inside Joe, there were all these magic things, all jumbled together in a big dusty heap because the wizard did not have any cleaning lady. So, inside the house of the wizard, father is describing, everything was in a big pile, jumbled together, mixed together, or muddled together. It was all heaped together in a big dusty heap because the wizard did not have any cleaning lady. Nobody was there to help him to clean. So that was the reason why the house was so dirty. Why? Because he was a wizard and a very old man. So the girl is asking why. The meaning of this why is, can't he do it himself? So for that, father is telling, no, it is not possible for this, because wizard is a very old man. Look at the picture, he has got a very long beard, white beard as described earlier. So wizard is an old man. Will he die? So, leaving the story, the girl is here to ask many questions to her father. Will he die? Because to her knowledge, old people will die. So she is asking, will he die? No, wizards don't die. Well, he rummaged around and found an old stick called a magic wand and asked Roger Skunk what he wanted to smell like. Roger thought and said roses, rummaged, searched. So he was going on searching and searching and searching because he has to take the magic wand. Hope you all would have seen magic wand used by the magicians. If you had seen some TV magic shows and so on, you would have seen them having a magic wand, and then even in the movie, in movies you would have seen where the magicians are there. Even in Harry Potter you would have seen how they are using magic wand for various activities. So, wizard also searched for a magic wand and he was asking Roger Skunk, what do you want to become? Now, being a very young small animal, it was thinking and thinking, what can it become? Because the smell that it acquires, takes, it must be pleasant for everybody. Everybody should like. So, immediately the thought of roses came to the mind of Roger Skunk, and immediately it said roses to the wizard. Yes, good, Joe said smugly, satisfied. Might be, even the girl likes the smell of roses, so she was happy when it was said roses. Jack fixed her with a trance-like gaze and chanted in the wizard's elderly, irritable voice. Trance. thinking something. Forgetting what is there in and around you. So, not focused anywhere, but some thought that is going on in the mind. Jack fixed her with a trance, like gaze. Gaze is nothing but look intently. So he was just looking, gazing, and chanted. Chanted, spell out, tell out. Because charms have to told out. It has to be said out, spoken out. So even here Jack is doing the same thing. Jack fixed her with a trance-like gaze and chanted in the wizard's elderly, irritable voice. Irritable voice, the voice which is not much liked by everybody. Okay, they get irritated listening to that voice. He made voice manipulation. He modulated his voice. He manipulated himself. Changed his character. Because earlier he was just speaking in the voice of the owl. Then now he is now speaking in the voice of a wizard. So he is manipulating his own character. Abracadabra, hocus pocus, hocus po, Roger skunk, how do you do? Roses, bosses, pull an ear, Roger skunk, you never fear, bingo. So this is the charm that was said by the wizard there. Abracadabra, hocus po, Roger skunk, how do you do? Roses, bosses, pull an ear, Roger skunk, you never fear, bingo. So the moment he finished this particular charm, immediately the awful smelling Roger skunk turned out to smell like roses. So it got the sweet smell of the rose. So this is what the wizard had done to Roger skunk. He paused as a rapt expression widened out from his daughter's nostril. Rapt, engrossed. So focused, okay, because it is a major part of the story. Roger skunk is now going to smell like roses. So it's the main part of the story. So she was so absorbed in that. He paused as a rapt expression widened out from his daughter's nostrils, forcing her eyebrows up and her lower lip down in a wide, noiseless grin. Noiseless grin, so she smiled because she was happy now. No more the animals are going to run away, stating that Roger skunk is smelling awful. An expression in which Jack was startled to recognize his wife feigning pleasure at cocktail parties. Startled, okay, you can say that greatly surprised. So he recognized something. To recognize his wife feigning pleasure, feigning, pretend. When they used to have cocktail parties. Cocktail is nothing but drink parties. So his wife used to pretend as though she is okay, she is happy to join the party. The same smile he was able, the grin he was able to see in his daughter's face as well. And all of a sudden he whispered, the whole inside of the wizard's house was full of the smell of roses. Roses. Roger Fish cried. And the wizard said, very cranky, that will be 7 pennies. So, father was also so very excited and he said, the whole house of the wizard. Now, earlier the wizard himself told, stay away from me, don't be very close to me. when Roger Skunk entered the house of the wizard, because he was smelling so awful. Now, the whole house was now filled with the smell of roses, because Roger Skunk was now smelling roses. Roses, roses, Roger Fish cried. See the mistake the father had done. Very promptly the girl also will just tell out. And the wizard said, very cranky, strangely. That will be 7 pennies. Now, Roger Skunk has to give him 7 pennies for changing him from awful smelling skunk to roses smelling skunk. Daddy, what? Roger Skunk, you said Roger Fish. So, earlier when I started the lesson, I said, it's very difficult to narrate stories to children because they are always very careful in noting down each and every word we utter, and if we happen to change, very promptly they will pinpoint it. The same thing happened with Joe also, and Joe told, Daddy, it is Roger Skunk, you said Roger Fish. Yes, Skunk, you said Roger Fish. Wasn't that silly? The girl is not ready to leave. She said, Father said, yes, Skunk. Then she is continuing, you said Roger Fish. Doesn't it sound silly? She asks. Very silly of your stupid old daddy. Where was I? Well, you know about the pennies. Say it. Okay, Roger Skunk said. But all I have is 4 pennies. And he began to cry. Now Roger Skunk said, I have only 4 pennies. And it started crying. Joe made the crying face again, but this time without a trace of sincerity. Trace, sign. Every time she used to pretend as though she is much more involved, and she smiles when happy moments takes place in the story. She cries when sad moment happens. But even now she made a face as though she is about to cry because Roger Skunk is also crying. But there was no sincerity in her effort this time. There was no trace of sincerity. This annoyed Jack. Annoyed made Jack angry. Jack became angry. It brought anger in him. Downstairs, some more furniture rumbled. Claire shouldn't move heavy things. She was 6 months pregnant. It would be their third. So already Joe was there, Joe's brother was there, and they are going to have the third baby, and Claire was working with the wooden furniture, painting and polishing it, and she was moving them. And so he is concerned there also. He has to complete the story and then go down to his wife. So the wizard said, oh, very well, go to the end of the lane and turn around 3 times and look down the magic well, and there you will find 3 pennies. So it is as usual. Every time whichever animal comes to the wizard, as said by the owl, they will go to the wizard. Wizard will do what all they want, and ultimately what will happen? They will not have sufficient money, and the wizard will tell a solution how to get the money as well. Hurry up. So Roger Skunk went to the end of the lane and turned around 3 times, and there in the magic well were 3 pennies. So he took them back to the wizard and was very happy and ran out into the woods, and all the other little animals gathered around him because he smelled so good. So what happened? This Roger Skunk was so happy. It went to the end of the lane, turned, and then got the 3 pennies, gave it to the wizard, and it came back to the forest. And all other animals now crowded around this Roger Skunk because it was smelling like roses, and every animal in the forest liked the smell of the rose. And they played tag, baseball, football, basketball, lacrosse, hockey, soccer, and pick-up sticks. Lacrosse is nothing but a game played on the field by 2 teams. So there will be two teams and these two teams will be playing this game of lacrosse. So like this, all were pick up sticks is nothing but the game played with sticks. All the animals played together, the games together there. What's pick up sticks? So this girl is asking, you are talking about so many games. What is pick up sticks? So father says, it is a game played with sticks in hand. It's a game you play with sticks. Like the wizard's magic wand. The girl is asking, is the stick like the wizard's magic wand? Kind of, father says, yes, kind of. And they played games and laughed all afternoon. And then it began to get dark and they all ran home to their mummies. Mummies, mother. So all the animals were happy on the outside in the forest, and on the outset they were all too happy. Roja skunk was very happy because now it was smelling roses and all the animals were happy to play with him. Okay, let us continue our class in the next part, children. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button to get the latest updates.